Hello, Mr. Jha here. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the basics about how to explore the periodic table. So to access this periodic table, just go to ptable.com. So that's ptable.com. I'll post a link in the description to access this version of the periodic table. So let's go over how to find protons. So in a previous video, you learned that the atoms have different subatomic particles, protons, electrons, and neutrons. And the periodic table organizes the different atoms according to the number of protons. So let's take a look at hydrogen. Hydrogen's protons is 1, or proton is 1. And then we go from left to right. So we go from hydrogen, we skip all the way to 2. So helium. Now helium's protons are 2. And then we go back, lithium 3, beryllium 4. Okay, so protons, another way of saying protons is the atomic number. So atomic number for hydrogen is 1. So hydrogen has 1 proton and its atomic number is 1. Helium's atomic number is 2, correct, because it has 2 protons. So once again, protons, another way of saying protons is the atomic number. The next thing, when you look at the periodic table, you're going to see the number on top, right? So we're looking at lithium. Number on top is your protons. And then the number underneath so right here, right? So we see 6.94. So 6.94 is the atom's relative atomic mass. And for now, just understand that the atomic mass, what we'll do is we'll just round it. Okay, so in another video, I'll explain relative atomic mass. But for now, 6.94, let's go ahead and round that. Is that closer to 6 or is that closer to 7? Okay, so 6.9. So that's actually closer to 7. So for lithium, we're going to imagine that lithium's atomic mass is 7. The next thing we want to talk about is groups. Okay, so the periodic table, the vertical columns are your groups. So this is group 1, this is group 2, group 3, group 4, all the way to group 18. Now the horizontal rows, these are your periods. So this is period 1, period 2, period 3, all the way to period 7. And finally, remember that protons are equal to electrons. What that means is all the atoms on the periodic table are neutral. So hydrogen has 1 proton and it also has 1 electron. Carbon has 6 protons and it has 6 electrons. Okay, so on and so forth. So all the elements on the periodic table have the same number of protons and electrons.